AI is changing the game, and it's no longer just for big tech companies. In just 30 days, I used AI tools to generate $10,000 online, step by step. Here's how you can do it too. Step 1. Choose the right AI tools. ChatGPT for content creation, Midjourney for AI art, and automation tools like Zapier to save time. Step 2. Pick a profitable AI business. I focused on selling AI-generated content, digital art, and video creation services, high demand, low cost. Step 3. Automate and scale. AI helped me create, optimize, and sell faster than ever, letting me grow my business efficiently. By selling AI services on Fiverr, launching AI-generated products on Etsy, and promoting AI tools through affiliate marketing, I hit $10,000 in earnings. Would you try an AI side hustle? Drop AI money in the comments. And for more tech business tips, subscribe now.